Good morning, students. Today we will be starting with chapter number 1, Real Numbers. You have studied this chapter in class 9th. It was the most difficult chapter, but this year this chapter is very simple and interesting. So let's start. We shall be studying basically three main concepts in this topic. First is Euclid's division lemma. Thereafter, there will be Euclid's division algorithm and fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now, first question, I think you may ask me, ma'am, what's the difference between lemma and algorithm? The answer is lemma is a statement which doesn't require any proof, but algorithm is a mathematical statement which can be proved. So this is the difference between lemma and algorithm. Now let's start Euclid's division lemma. I think all of you must be knowing dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It's a very basic concept. You would have studied at very junior level. It was also explained by me in the topic polynomials. Now, this formula can be written in the form A is equal to BQ plus R, where A represents dividend, B represents divisor, Q represents quotient, and R represents remainder. Now, we have a very important concept regarding remainder. That is, remainder is always less than divisor and remainder is always greater than or equal to 0. So, what can be the maximum and minimum value of the remainder? The maximum value of remainder is less than divisor and the minimum value of remainder is 0. Why? Because remainder can never be negative. So I think I made my point very clear that remainder is always greater than or equal to 0 but less than divisor. Now exercise 1.1 question number 1. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of 135 and 225. Solution of this question. We know 225 is greater than 135. So, we shall divide 225 by 135. In first step, we shall perform simple division. We shall get the remainder 90. In next step, what shall we do? 90 is a remainder which will become here divisor, and 135 which was divisor in first step would become here dividend. So we shall divide 135 by 90. We shall get remainder 45. In third step, 45 would become the divisor and 90 would become the dividend. Now we shall get remainder 0. So what is HCF? HCF is 45. This was our rough work. Now here starts the actual question. We shall write first of all according to Euclid's division algorithm. Fine. Formula is A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than equal to 0 but less than divisor. Step 1. Step 1, we shall put the values. What is A? A is dividend. In step 1, dividend is 225. What is B? B is divisor, that is 135. What is Q in the first step? That is 1. And what is remainder? That is 90. Step 1 completed. Now in step 2, in the same way, we shall put the values of dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder in the formula. Here, dividend is 135, B is divisor, that is 90, quotient is 1 and remainder is 45. In the same way, we shall put the values of third step in the formula. So in the last step, we shall write the statement HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. This is the solution of question number 1. Now this question has 2 more parts. Please try to do those 2 parts and assignment in the homework. Thank you.